Hey guys, this is just a little update. I mounted the bearing blocks today. I went down to the bolts and nuts shop and got the bolts and nuts to mount it. So they're mounted pretty cleanly. I haven't cut the axle yet because I'm going to mount the sprocket first, run that to there and see how far that wheel needs to go in, and then I'll cut the axle. So yeah, I need to drill out that little sprocket that's on there, as you guys probably would have known if you watched the last video or something like that. I don't have a 16mm drill bit, which is what I need to drill it out to. The biggest one I had was 13. So I'm taking it to my dad's mate, who's a machinist, tomorrow, and hopefully he can drill it out to 16mm for me, and then that will slip onto the clutch drum. Or it actually is a really tight fit, and then I'll weld it on there. And then once that's done, like I said, I'll just run the chain to there, know where that wheel has to go, cut the rod. I've got 4 lock nuts. And what I'm going to do is put 1 lock nut on that side, and a washer, another lock nut, and then just clamp the wheel as tight as I can. Do the exact same on the other side. The reason I'm going to lock nuts, otherwise it'll probably move in after a while. That's what I've done on my go-kart. I've just put a washer on one side and a lock nut, and then a washer on the other side. And that works for my go-kart, and that's pulling about 70 kilos. This is pulling about 5, if that, so it's gonna work. So yeah, that's all good. So that should all be on there. The chain should all be done probably, I wouldn't say tomorrow, but over the weekend possibly, if I get a free spare time, because it's Easter and I'm working like a crap load. But next week sometime I should have enough time to spend some time on it and get all that drive done. By that time the servo should be in. The throttle servo, I've got to get some crystals tomorrow. Then I'll hook up the throttle servo. Basically all I do is just get a throttle cable set up to there or something, and on like a little platform, right up to the throttle servo, and that's all that throttle done. 1 second. Sorry about that, dinner's ready. And then the steering, I'll hook up that, so I've got to weld on those little things and do the whole steering. I've been thinking of different steering designs, and I think I might do this one. Basically, this is the wheel parts that come out. That runs to these 2 little L bits that is connected by a bit across there. So when it pushes, those 2 L bits move together. Off those L bits, they have a pivot point there. That's connected to another just part there, so when that pushes it down, that pulls up, and the servos are there. So when the servos push up, that pulls that down, which pulls that down, which pulls that across. The reason why you have to do this is sort of because of gear ratio sort of thing. Like that servo arm only moves a tiny little bit, where this has to move like a crap load, so it's sort of like a gear reduction. But also the servos can't have any up and down forces, they can only have side forces, so all this takes all the force. So by the time it gets to the servos, there's hardly any force acting down and upwards, there's only sideways forces. So I think I might do this design. If you guys have any better ideas, then just tell me. I've seen one guy just puts 2 servos here, just run a rod from there to there, there to there to the servos, but you know, I don't really see that lasting very long, and because the servo arms are only plastic things, I'm pretty sure that'd snap pretty quickly. So anyway, that's about it guys. I tried to make it quick, but it always works out to be like 5 minutes, and I'll catch you guys later.